Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is shop update day. If you're seeing this video, then the shop update is now live. So it's going live at 4 p.m. UK time. I'm filming this now, it's 2 p.m. But I just wanted to run you through the new things that I have to offer in this shop update. It's something that I love to do every shop update, and yeah, really excited to get into it. So I do want to note that first of all, I am offering international standard shipping again. I have been offering only tracked up until now. I know it's been a bit expensive, but I thought that with the pandemic going on, everything like that, with loads of backlog, it was best to just keep everything tracked. So I've now actually changed the shipping to international, so you can get standard shipping. It will take a bit longer, obviously it's not going to have a tracking number, anything like that, and it can take up to, I think it said 8 weeks or 90 days depending on what country you're in, so it can take quite a while to reach you. Obviously the average kind of time is about like 2 to 3 weeks, but it can take that much extra. So if you're looking for a cheaper shipping option that maybe, you know, will be a little bit slower and you haven't got any tracking with it, then that can be the option for you. And then I've offered like the upgrade tracking in the kind of like upgrade bits at the end of the checkout. So if you're looking for track shipping still, then that's still available, and I would still highly recommend it, because obviously without a tracking number, if there's any delays, I'm not going to be able to tell you whether your package is, because I will have the same amount of information that you have. It just is in the system somewhere and we just have to wait it out. So yeah, I just thought I'd mention that. UK shipping is still the same, free UK shipping over £15 on orders, which should be automatically applied at the checkout should you wish to opt for the free one. I've also added like extra kind of upgrades for the UK shipping as well, and yeah, I'm just going to run you through the new things that I have to offer in this shop update. We pretty much have all of the charms that we've seen in my previous one. I've just restocked those, so we will have like all of the little characters back, such as Pig. We've obviously got the frogs, we've got the Baguette Boys in there as well. I've actually got one of those just kicking around here. We've got Baguette Boy. This is the small size, and there is a mini size as well, which kind of works out almost like just a little bit bigger than Pig there. Yeah, but they're the same price. It's just if you like a smaller one, if you like a bigger one, you can have the option. I've got the Marshmallow Boys, the Lily Pads, the Strawberries. I've got the Animal Boys in the macarons as well as the donuts. But this time, however, I do also have a Big Bear charm, and that looks like so. And then there's a Pig there as well, obviously. But yeah, the Big Bears are new for this shop update. As well as that, I've also done a 3 animal kind of dango charm. You would have seen this in the video that went live the other day of me making this bad boy. This one here is a little bit more expensive, obviously just because of the time it's taken me to do that, and I only have 3 available of these, but I really love them. I think they're like just really special little pieces, and yeah, very happy with those. New additions for this one are actually my long boy charms. So I've made all the animal boys in longer versions. So we have Pig, we've got the 2 frogs, we've got Mochi and Mouth there, and then obviously we have Big Bear as well. So there's all of those, but they're just like the original characters, only they're long. Which is so funny. I have filmed this all for a video that's all scheduled in to go live on Friday, so you will see the making of it. But yeah, look at them. They're kind of like just little flat, long versions, like they've almost been stretched out. I really love them. I think they're just something a little bit quirky, and yeah, they're the long boy charms. Keychains wise, I don't actually have that many new designs. I do still have one baguette left. I didn't realise that I had this, but it was actually in my charm box at the bottom, and it has a silver keychain on, because on the last couple ones I did do silver and gold. Let me just focus my camera there. Yeah, so it has got a silver keychain on, but yeah, I just have one left of this, and then on my next shop update I do want to change that out to gold, so I've just got one left of this little boy at the moment. I have all the usual characters such as Pig, we've got Big Bear and Frog. I think it's Mouth, which is the frog, like the light one with the cute little mouth on, which are just going to be available this time like they have been on the last shop update. And I also have them all available holding little baguettes as well, so they're all the same price. I also have this time the avocado, so I started making these on my first shop update, but this time around I've made them all pastel, and they've also got 3 different face options, so you can just choose whatever face that you want. They're all the same, just with different faces. The back of them is obviously in the darker green, and then the front's in the pastel. And there they are. I absolutely love all the faces. I honestly cannot decide which one I like the best, but yeah, there we go for the avocados. Again, these have the gold chains. And then keychain wise, which are just like one-offs. These are like stamp style ones. Now these took me a ton of time to do because they're actually double-sided. So we have like kind of like the same pattern on each side, as you can see there. One side has got like the meh kind of face on it, and then the other side has the happy kind of face on. They are all glittery as well. I've got this little avocado, I've got the cloud, I have this little toast one, and again all of them have like the really happy faces on one side and then like the meh faces on the other. Obviously these are just polymer clay, or kind of with a scalloped edge, like a stamp almost. And yeah, I really like these. So these are just going to be one-offs. I may in the future paint up some more like in the same design, but I'm probably going to stick to like making them all a little bit different, doing different colorways, that sort of stuff, so they're all just one of a kind. You'll get the exact one as on the listing because I do just have one of each. And yeah, they're all hand painted, so they're all just a little bit quirky, a little bit different. You can tell that they're handmade because you can see all of the brush strokes in them, but I really like that. But yeah, so that's the keychains. Stickers wise, this time I do have a new sticker sheet. So this is a new one that I've made. It's just the Bakery Boys as a sticker sheet. As you can see, you've got all these stickers on there. So how many is that? There's 16 stickers, sorry. So yeah, the sticker sheets look like so. This is what like all three of the ones look like now. Really happy with them. This one here is in the matte kind of paper, and then I also have it available in the glossy paper as well, just depending on which one you like. They're just going to be the same price. Yeah, they're just like planner stickers really, rather than just like, you know, waterproof stickers. I haven't got any new stickers for this one, but I do intend to on my next shop update, just because yeah, I'm making a load from a Kickstarter, and they'll be available once the Kickstarter like kind of rewards and stuff, everything like that go out. But obviously that gets the priorities. Yeah, these are the only stickers, like the new ones I have for this shop update. Regarding Kickstarter things, actually I do have this washi tape which I'm going to be releasing as seconds. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you might not know that my washi tape came a really off colour than what I wanted. I do have a little swatch over here on my notebook. It's come out a really funky colour. I don't know if you can see that in comparison to like the stickers. It's really hard to show this on like images and stuff because they end up going a different colour. But yeah, like you can see it in comparison. It's really odd. It just come out like kind of green and like discoloured. So I've put it up on my shop pretty much for the same price that I paid for it, plus the Etsy fees, so I don't, you know, lose out on loads of money. This is just to try and help me like recoup them back, just in case anyone wants to use these as like little kind of artsy bits. I think if you put them on like brown envelopes and such, you won't be able to tell the weird colour so much, because obviously the colours get distorted with washi tape anyway, don't they, because they're a little bit transparent. Yeah, and a few people said that they might want to purchase them, you know, cheaply for like their kids and stuff, like they're not going to be that bothered about the colours. So yeah, I've put them up as cheaply as I kind of can. Obviously Etsy always takes out a massive cut, like it literally takes out like, I think it's like 20 odd p for like every listing. So if I put them any less, then it's going to basically cost me to sell them, which is crazy. So yeah, this is how it's turned out. I'm not going to be putting up the blue washi tape because that one has turned out pretty good. I've got these being remade by the manufacturer, which I've had to pay for again. So yeah, this is just put them up for sale so they don't go to waste, and I don't need 100 washi tapes just kicking around doing nothing. So yeah, I've done that. I've put them on my shop. Whether anyone wants them or not is, you know, going to be their choice. I've put up kind of pictures with these stickers so you can kind of see the colour difference and what I mean, but they're still fully functional. They're still really cute, like the character's still the same, they're just a little bit off coloured, and I don't want to sell them for full price. I've also been really busy in the pin category, so I've made 9 pins for a spring collection and then 9 pins for a Pig's Bakery collection. So the Pig's Bakery collection are with this pink little checkered background. As you can see, that one there's just a pig's face pin. Really love that. And then I've got like all these other little characters, like there's loads. I'll put them all on the screen so I don't run them, you know, run through for ages, but they're really lovely. I really love this little guy. So yeah, also I have a mini bigger in the Pig's Bakery one because I've been trying to reduce the size of my pins. So these pins are quite a lot smaller, and they're like almost like mini size pins because my pins have started end up getting really big. So yeah, there's the original baguette boy. I do still have, I think, either 2 or 3 of these guys left because I made loads last time I made them. And then there's the mini size that, as you can see, there is a little bit of a size difference. I think they're probably going to be up to the same price just because I want to move forward with the mini baguette rather than the bigger baguette boy. I might offer them the same. I also have one kind of jumbo, I'm calling it a jumbo pin because this is absolutely massive. Like, can you quite tell how big that is? And I do have the mini toadstool there, which the size difference is crazy. So I just wanted to show you that. I do have this one here. It's just the last remaining one of this size, and this is the mini size that I put in my frog you know, bundle box last time. But I really like this. I've been using this pin myself along with a frog one on my tote bag. Like, I've had these two together and I've had so many compliments come through. So yeah, I've got like this little bee guy, absolutely love him. I also have this tulip and this peach, which I adore. Yeah, look, there's little peach, strawberry, oh my goodness. Where's the tulip? There's the tulip. Look at that, aren't they so cute? I just adore those. See, I've just done them as one-offs, just as like little spring collection. They have the green backing cards, and I'll put an image of all of the designs I have for these pins on there as well. So yeah, that's what we've got. I'm really happy about that. What else have I got to say? Bundle box wise, I do have some more of those this time. So I have the normal pig one, so I've got like the big pig one with like the keychain and the marshmallow charm in. I've got the mini bundle box with the pig charm, and then you get like some stickers and an art print with that as well. I've got the frog version of that, the mini frog one, and then I've also got a mini bakery bundle box which has a little baguette charm in, like so. It has a sticker which is like this one here, the I Love Carbs vinyl sticker. I have one of the Bakery Boys sticker sheets, the new ones in it, and I've also put one of these I Love Carbs washi tape in it, so it's a really good bundle price. But the reason I put this washi tape in is because I've got like literally less than like 10 rolls left of this, I think, and once they've sold out, I don't think I'm going to be restocking them because I want to move on to like slightly different washi tape. So really happy with this one, and this has probably been my favourite washi tape that I've made to date. But yeah, it's almost out of stock, and I thought it'd be fun just to put it in like a little bundle with the charm and stuff like that at a good price, and then pack together in a nice little box with some tissue paper. The boxes aren't pink and blue anymore, they're the craft boxes, so it's more like, you know, inclined to recycled and that sort of stuff. It does still have the pink shred inside it, which is really fun, and yeah, I think that's going to be a really nice little piece. So that is everything I think I have to talk about in the shop update. I feel like I've been talking for ages, but yeah, the shop is live. I'll leave all the links, everything like that, down in the description. And yeah, thanks so much for joining me today and joining me on my shop update, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.